Hello friends, come sing along. We'll learn animal sounds in our song. Listen close and you will hear each animal's voice so loud and clear.
On the farm, the big brown cow says moo moo moo, moo right now.
She eats green grass all through the day
And moo so loud in a happy way.
Moo moo moo,
The cow will say,
let's all moo together today. Moo moo moo,
come sing with me, the happy cow by the old oak tree.
the little chicken flaps her wings. Cluck 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 is what she sings.
She pecks the ground and loves to play,
Clucking softly all the day. Moo and cluck, let's sing it loud. Animal sounds make us proud. Farmyard friends, they talk and play, learning sounds the LalaPop way. Moo and cluck, come sing once more. Let's learn sounds we all adore. A friendly dog with shiny fur, woof 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 is what we heard.
he wags his tail and runs around.
Barking gently, what a sound. Woof woof woof,
Come bark with me,
a happy dog.
for all to see.
Woof woof woof,
So bright and free,
our puppy smiles with glee. Deep in the jungle, what a sight. The lion roars with all his might.
roar, 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 so strong and loud.
He's the king, he makes us proud. Woof and roar, come sing along. Animal sound so strong. From the farm to jungle ground, let's all make that animal sound. Roar and woof, we'll shout hooray. It's a fun and noisy day. Here comes the elephant, big and gray. He trumpets loud both night and day. With his trunk he loves to play, making sounds the elephant way.
Trumpet loud,
Wave your trunk high, let's make elephant sounds reach the sky. Trumpet echo far and wide, happy elephant with so much pride. High in the sky a bird will sing, tweet 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 with tiny wings.
colorful feathers, soft and bright.
Singing sweetly morning to night. Moo and cluck, woof and roar, trumpet, tweet and so much more. Now we